What's going on, guys? In today's video I'll be giving a review and unboxing of the newly released Nike SB Dunk Low in the Blue Fury colorway. I initially thought I would never get these shoes in hand as I didn't get them on the original release date. However, a couple days ago a local skate shop shock dropped these one morning and I managed to get to the store in time and get 2 pairs of these. So here we are now. These new dunks come in a purple Nike SB box. And the official colorway for these is Blue Fury / Deep Royal - Blue Fury. Opening up the box, we have that classic Nike SB paper, which is seen on almost all Nike SBs. And peeling it back, here we have the shoes. Now these Nike SB Dunks officially released on April the 1st. However, some retailers released them a little bit earlier and others a little bit late. They had a retail price of $100 US or 140 Australian dollars, which makes them very affordable at retail. However, they resell from anywhere between 230 and about 400 Australian dollars, which makes them quite pricey if you need to get a pair. The entire upper of the shoe is a baby blue, which is really bright and stands out. The Nike Swoosh is a darker blue, which they're calling Deep Royal. And on the heel, there's a silver tab with the Nike logo embroidered into it, also in the Deep Royal color. The upper of the shoe is made out of roughly half suede and half leather. The panels along the toe box and on the side of the shoe is a suede material. It is not the most premium, however, it is what you would expect on a Nike SB. And the rest of the shoe, which includes the toe box and the side panels, are made out of a smooth leather. Now, it all sort of ties together, however, because they are all the same Blue Fury color. We have the standard Nike SB tongue on this shoe, which is very big and soft, like a pillow, with the Nike SB logo on the top. The laces are just standard Nike SB laces in the Blue Fury color, very nice and thick. And they also come with a spare set of laces in the Deep Royal color. And we have a very cushioned sock and ankle area in the shoe, which gives the shoe really good comfort. Now, pulling out the insoles, we have a blue insole with, of course, the Nike Air Zoom pocket underneath. Now, moving down on the shoe, we have a white midsole which has white stitching. Nothing too exciting here. But moving on to the outsole, we have an icy blue outsole. Now personally, I like the way icy blue outsoles look when they're brand new and unworn, but after wearing them a couple of times they start to turn yellow and fading, which I'm not a huge fan of. Let me know what you guys think about the icy blue outsoles on these. And that will wrap it up for this quick review on the Nike SB Dunk Low in the Blue Fury colorway. Overall, I'm a really big fan of this shoe. Just because I love shoes that are really loud and stand out, as well as the classic Nike SB Dunk model. The only complaint I have is the icy blue outsoles, which I do not believe will look good in the long term. I just think some regular rubber outsoles would have looked much better. Anyway, let me know what you think of the newly released Nike SB Dunk Low in the Blue Fury colorway in the comment sections down below. And as always, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.